Hello students, welcome to my channel IBwontcrushyou, and today we are dealing with financial mathematics from number and algebra chapter, and let's get started. Problem number 1. Emma invests $2,500 at an interest rate of 3.8% per annum, compounded annually for 6 years. Find the value of her investment after 6 years, and we can use our compound interest formula. This is it, and don't worry, you have it in your booklet, so you don't need to remember it. And we can also find the value of her investment on our compound interest in GDC. But if we don't have PMT, so monthly deposits or repayments, we can simply use this formula. So future value will be present value, so 2,500 times 1 plus 3.8, it is interest rate, and we don't convert it into any other form, we just write it like this. Below we have 100 times 1, because K is compounding periods and we have compounded annually, so once a year, so we have 1. And here we have also 1 times n, and n is 6 because we have 6 years, and we have to calculate it. And our final answer is 3,126.97, and also unit dollars. Problem 2. How long will it take for an investment of 1,200 to double in value if it earns 6% interest per year compounded annually? So our we can use our compound interest formula, because it also applies in here because we don't have any deposits, and we have an investment of 1,200. So this is our present value. We have interest rate 6%. We have compounding periods 1, and we want to have our our interest to be doubled. So our future value has to be 1,200 times 2, because we would like our present value to double. So it is simply 1,200 multiplied by 2, so it is 2,400. So now we can substitute our values into our compound interest equation, and we're looking how long will it take for our investment to double, so we leave n as unknown, and now we can type it into solver and find that n equals 11.9 years. Problem number 3. Liam deposits $10,000 in a savings account that earns 4.5% annual interest, compounded monthly. Calculate the value of the investment after 3 years. So our formula still applies because we don't have monthly or year deposits or repayments, so we can use it, and we have to calculate the value of the investment after 3 years, so we are calculating future value. And our present value is 10,000 times 1 in bracket plus r is 4.5, and in denominator we have 100 times k, and it is compounding periods, and we have compounded monthly. So it occurs 12 times a year, so k is 12, and power is 3 years times 12, and our future value, if you calculate it, is 11,442.48, of course, dollars. Problem 4. Sophie takes a loan of $12,000 to be paid back over 5 years with annual interest rate of 4.2% compounded yearly. Find the annual repayment amount, so equal payments at the end of each year. So in other words, we have to find PMT, and from now we cannot use our compound interest formula because it doesn't have PMT. So we are relying now on our GDC. And firstly, we can rewrite symbols that we have in our compound interest in our GDC. So firstly, we have a loan of $12,000. So our present value is 12,000 because it is the injection to our, let's say, wallet or account, because we're borrowing this amount of money, and it has to be paid back over 5 years. So our N time is 5 years. We have annual interest rate of 4.2%, so interest is this, and we have compounded yearly. So compounding periods, it is 1, so our C/Y is 1, and we are looking for PMT, so we leave it as 0. Future value is also 0 because we want to have 0 as a loan, so we have to repay our loan. And P/Y, it is simply 1 because we have annual interest rate, and here we have N in years. If we have N in months, our P/Y would be 12, but for now it's 1 because we have N in years. And if you calculate PMT, it is minus 2,710.69. So negative sign means that we have to repay this amount of money each year. Problem 6. A person saves $150 each month in an account earning 3% annual interest compounded monthly. How much will they have saved after 5 years? So firstly, we can rewrite our signs from GDC because it's also compulsory for your final exams, because examinators need to know that you understand the exercise correctly, and they want to know what do you type into your GDC, because if you don't rewrite it into your paper, you will lose some points. And if you have a wrong answer but you have correct values typed in, you will get additional points, basically points, but if you have none of it correct, you will lose all points. So we have a person saves $150 each month, so it leaks out of our account into this earning account, so it is minus 150. Then we have annual interest rate, which is 3. Then we have compounded monthly, So c/y is 12, and we have a question. In question we have information that we have to calculate it for 5 years, but if we have compounded monthly, we have to multiply our 5 by 12 months, and also p/y is 12 because it corresponds to our n, and future value is 0 because we're looking for it, and present value is 0 because we have no starting money. So our final answer is future value equals $9,697.01. So that's all for this topic. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please leave thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me out via my mail or in comments down below. And see you in the next video. Bye!